Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do a tax return in Xero. First, navigate to the accounting menu and select Reports. Here, you'll find various financial statements crucial for tax preparation. Make sure all your transactions are categorized correctly and bank accounts are reconciled. This foundational step ensures the accuracy of your tax data, saving you time and potential headaches later on. Next, generate your profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Carefully review these reports for any discrepancies or missing information. Confirm that all income and expenses are correctly allocated. Pay close attention to any large transactions or unusual entries. This thorough review helps prevent errors and ensures your financial picture is complete before moving to the final stages of tax preparation. Now, generate specific tax reports such as the general ledger and any relevant sales tax reports. You can export these reports in various formats, like PDF or Excel, to share with your accountant or import into tax preparation software. Once all data is verified and compiled, proceed with filing your tax return according to your local tax authority's instructions. Always double-check submission requirements. Before finalizing, conduct a comprehensive review of your entire tax return. Look for any overlooked deductions or potential misclassifications. It's wise to have a second pair of eyes, perhaps your accountant, review everything. After filing, securely store both digital and physical copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 7 years. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.